Hi ladies and gentlemen. Today we're working on patterns of tens. This is going to help us in solving some of our problems that we have today. Remember, last week we were talking about how when you had multiples of 10, we had patterns. So if I had 10 times 3, we have 1 0 for the 10, times 3 is 30. Here in the next problem, we have 10 times 30. We've added a multiple. 30 is a multiple of 10. So therefore, 30 times 10 is 300. Then same pattern we're following. 10 times 300, again, would be, whoops, made a mistake. That should be 3,000. All right? Let's go on to the next slide. So if we're using that same pattern, 3 times 20 then would be 60. 30 times 20, we're increasing by 10, would be 600. And 300 times 20 would be 6,000. Okay? Let's take a look at these problems here that we have in this area, and we can solve our problem. See if some of these can help us. So a bakery sells muffins to local grocery stores in boxes that hold 20 muffins apiece. All right, there's some information for us. If 6,000 muffins were sold, the question is, how many boxes? How many boxes? So if we have 6,000, and we've got to see how many groups of 20 we can make, how would we write that problem? It would be 6,000 divided by 20 equals what? Now, do you see any of our multiplication sentences that we have up here that have the same numbers? Are there any that are the same family? And yes, we have one. We have one right here. This is it. This is it. 300 times 20 equals 6,000. Therefore, 6,000 divided by 20 equals 300. That's how we use our multiples of 10 and our families or math sentences that are related to solve that problem. I'd like you to try these. Find your basic math problem and do the work. I know my division sign is a little funky there, but that's the way the computer had to do it. I'd like you to do this on a piece of paper and bring it with you to class. Once you're done with that, I want you to take a look in your textbooks on page 78 and 79. Across the top, it's giving you another problem about a jet carrier that carries passengers. And I'd like you to take a look at that and see if you're understanding how they're doing this. Very similar to the way I just did this with you. When I see you on Friday this week, we're going to be using this material to apply it to some problems that I have for you to do. See you on Friday, ready to work.